Alright, my friends, welcome back. It's Dawit here again. Today, we're doing something a lot of you have been asking for. We are going to trade the Impulse Sniper strategy, but on 1 minute time frame. Yes, not 5 seconds, not 10 seconds, but a slower, more controlled version. I've allocated $500 for this session, and the goal is simple. Take around 10 trades and see what result we can achieve. Make sure you watch till the end, not just for the result, but for the whole process. Enjoy! Okay, so we're in the terminal of Pocket Option. As you can see, $500 balance for today. And indicators, guys. Bollinger Bands and moving average. What about setup? Let's go to Bollinger Bands. Period is 12. And deviation 3. And we, as usual, we remove the middle line, because our middle line will be EMA moving average. Yes, EMA with period 20 and moving average EMA type. Yes. Okay, we're ready. So the strategy logic is very simple. The idea is when price touches for approaches the Bollinger Band, we wait for reversal impulse. Reversal impulse, just remember this word. And we trade against that move. On 1 minute trades, we have more time for price to react, so the setup are more stable compared to fast scalping, as I'm usually trade. So here we see reversal forming, and we will start with $100. Let's sell here. I will speed up trades, because time is money, guys, and I respect your time. Price moves down nicely. And this is exactly why 1 minute works here. On 5 seconds, this might not play out the same way. Boom! First win, guys. From now on, I'll start increasing position size gradually. Not just for profit, but also to keep the session dynamic. I know you love it. Yes, guys, it's a second win already. We switch to chart view a bit. Maybe later we also will move for 30 seconds for better observation. But now let's select a second, no, I mean it's already third trade. And I want to open for 350. But let's select well. Let's select it well. Selection is the key. Some potential here for yours. Let's switch to 30 second. Yes, I think this is the good idea. Observation is much better like this. And we open for 350. Buy precision. Five seconds scalping, but we will still take risks, of course. We can't do anything with this, we just try to count and trade smart. We see buyer pressure increasing, Well, we already passed 1000, we just doubled the account. Confidence fairly. Now I want to increase trades for 400. Everything is working clean so far, no losing trades yet. Okay, well, let's see. Let's pick the perfect pair for us. Selection, only selection. Yes. Here's another setup. Price approaches the band. Well, looks like clean entry. This one looks perfect. Exactly like we want. Boom, again. Clean result, guys. At this point, we almost tripled the deposit, and now the trade size equals the starting balance. Let's do like this. 500 for every trade. That's when things get interesting, right? Let's add some more pairs for more drama. And let's select the best one. Yes, here, amazing situation to try. Amazing one. Let's open 500 buy position. Just remind you that we start from 500 and it's no losing trades. Streak mode. My personal record was around 20 wins in a row. Today the goal is not too high, but interesting. 10 trades, and we can see the percentage of winning with this strategy. This combo, with this logic. Here we go, almost 2,000, guys. You know what? Let's increase it to 800. Now let's start from 600. Let's start from 600. It's already good. Let's see how far we go today. We move to 600, but let's find the pair and entry point. Okay, let's have some potential. We're searching carefully, no rush. But here, it's possible that it's our pair. Let's see a bit how it's going. Okay, I think we can try here. Looks like reverse forming, but a bit far for me. Yeah, here looks much better. Let's open here. 600 trade. Let's go. Reversal logic we use. Impulse logic. Boom. Oof. Once again. It was big risk moment, actually. In the last moment, but it's profit. Let's push harder, guys. 800. The logic the same, the logic is simple. We're splitting our account also for 3 trades. Okay, let's wait. For now, price moving. But you know, this is the market. I want to just ensure, and by martingale I will open almost for everything, because I do believe this logic and this market move, but looks like, guys, we will have a first loss. After 7 trades, first loss. We're using martingale multiplicator to cover losses from previous trade, but this is almost everything what we have. This one is important. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, 3,000. Let's increase to 1,000 trade. After this risk, you see our result. It's great result, guys. This is the really great result. Okay, here I just try to research one new strategy. Maybe later I will finish it and shoot another amazing video about this. Now let's focus. Let's focus on our 1 minute sniper. With no rush, we select the next pair because 1,000 trade, guys. This is the big deal, and it will be at trade number 10. But I'm sure you will not judge me if I open 11 trades, for example. Maybe I'll do this. Let's see how it's going. Let's say like this. If we win this trade, and we will win, so we will open another one. If we will lose, we'll just take 2,000. It's also a good result, right? From 500. But I really love how everything going today. Smooth. Just 1 loss. Guys, try this strategy. You can try it on demo. You can try it on small amount. I can give you 60% promo code, which will increase your first deposit. Well, guys, it's a good result. Almost $4,000 from 500. We already passed 10 trades. Let's open final one for today. Yes, this is not proper risk management, of course, don't judge me, but this is the content. I did it a lot of video. And most of these videos, it's all about great content to show you how interesting can be the market situations and trading situations, how to control your stress and all this thing. Well, we just opened the last trade for today for 1000. Let's just wait. For now, everything looks good. As you can see the logic, this price quite volatile, and that's what we're waiting for, the reverse. Even the uptrend is strong, but we will wait for our price move. This price. Yes. Well, I think, let's say it will be final result. 11 trades and just one loss. 10 wins. Well, from $500 to 4,900 plus. What? Crazy. Out of 11 trades, 10 wins and just one loss. This is a crazy station, guys. What can I say, my friends? That was a powerful example of Impulse Sniper on higher time frame. Controlled entries and patience. Controlled risk and balance. Remember, this is not a gambling, guys. This is a logic plus discipline plus a lot of practice. What you can also share with me your results in the comments. If you like this session, drop a like and subscribe this channel and subscribe my Telegram channel. We also have closed Telegram channel. All the links in the pinned comment. Message me on my Telegram. I reply to everyone. If you need promo code, if you need some suggestions, if you need some I don't know, like just some support. I'm here for you guys. Stay sharp, trade smart, and stay in touch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.